What is the #1 way to increase your health ahead of the fall-winter season where viruses abound? You guessed it, plants. Plant biodiversity. I can't juggle. Did you know you have trillions of bacteria living and loving and just existing inside your gut? These little buggy buddies that live in your belly are responsible for so much with your health. They're responsible for the health of your mind, the health of your immune system, the health of your gut. They help you make sure that you absorb all the nutrients you eat and so much more. The field of gut biome research has exploded in the last 10 years, and so much has been learned about these little guys. Our little gut bacteria are so impressive. Researchers have even done fecal transplants recently to test out how putting a healthy feces full of healthy bugs into an unhealthy person can change their whole health. Fecal transplants done on people with ulcerative colitis have decreased symptoms significantly and helped people to lose weight. Okay, let's take a break for a second. Hi, I'm Candice from Candice Leigh Wellness, and I'm here with another Tuesday Coffee Talk. Today, I always talk about coffee on my Tuesday Coffee Talks. I'm drinking Alien Bean Coffee. Alien Bean Coffee is a family-owned local roaster. The beans are micro roasted, which means they're small batches, and the beans are from Nicaragua. I'm not sure where they're actually located. I think California, but for now we'll just say parts unknown. I am drinking a roast so the roast I'm drinking, the beans are from Nicaragua, and Alien Bean Coffee supports one of my favorite UFO podcasts called Somewhere in the Skies. The Somewhere in the Skies roast is a dark roast, and it's pretty delicious, so definitely check it out. You'll also get a cute little sticker. Eating lots of different plant foods feeds all the various healthy strains of bacteria, which will create a healthy ecosystem inside your gut that will protect the lining of your gut from toxins and other things. It will improve your immune system, help your mental health, help your sleep, even your skin. And while those healthy bacteria colonies will increase, the angrier, less healthy bacteria will deplete. The ones that love McDonald's and sugar and all that bad stuff. And let's be real, you can't go wrong by adding a variety of vegetables and fruits to your life anyway. I mean, they pack a whole bunch of nutrients, antioxidants, protect from chronic disease. Everything that you want, you'll find in plants. So here's my challenge for you. What you need to do is aim for 30 different plants per week. And if you want a list of healthy plant-based foods you can eat to attain your goal of getting 30 per week, I'll link below a green, yellow, and orange food list that I created. I'll also put a link to my 5 favorite smoothie recipes. Smoothies are the yummiest, easiest way to get a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet in a very quick and not laborious way. And finally, I'll link the Alien coffee beans. This is not a sponsored video. I just like to share what I'm drinking with you guys when it comes to coffee. That's all I really drink, coffee and water. But yeah, if you have any questions about gut biome or want any reading recommendations, I can supply those for you. Just let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye, guys.